Greetings, Pete Lorimer here with MailBag. If you don't know, MailBag is a Q&A show where you send us questions and I send them back. Not really sure why the hand movements were in there, but I think they look quite cool. And the question for this week is?
The question for this week is from Claire from Stockton. What is the difference between pre-approved and pre-qualified?
Claire, that is a fantastic question. In fact, it is bloody terrific. It's one of the most important questions any buyer can ask. So bravo for you asking it. So I want to break it down into two pieces because these are two monumentally different yet similar aspects of putting in an offer on a house. One is going to make you seem really great as a buyer. The other one is just going to make you seem like everyone else. So let's deal with that first. Pre-qualified. A pre-qualification letter, your lender is going to give you after kind of like checking your bank balance, looking at your credit score, you know, kind of doing some off the back of a napkin calculations. I'm obviously making this seem really simple. It's more complex than this. But they're not going to get down in the weeds, but they can say and give an educated guess of, yeah, you're kind of pre-qualified for this loan. I think you're going to get the loan, right? This is what 95% of buyers do. I highly recommend you work with your lender and get pre-approved. Okay, Pete, what's the difference? The difference is this. Pre-approved means you work with your lender going through every stage of actually getting a loan so that all you need to do next is find the house. Your lender is going to approve you for, let's just say, $1 million. They're going to already have all of your W-2s, pay stubs, you know, immigration document, whatever it is that they're going to need to get you through underwriting. So the only thing they need to have is the appraisal on the house. What this does, it makes you almost as good as cash. Now check what I'm about to say next with the lender that you're working with. If you get all the way through pre-approval, not pre-qual, but pre-approval, your lender, and you need to get his or her permission to do this, may allow you to remove the loan contingency because you've done all of the work. If you can do that when you put in an offer as a buyer, you have exponentially increased your odds and you look so much more attractive to any seller because they know the loan is in the bag. So few people take this. It's quite a big step, but if you can get past pre-qual and get all the way to pre-approved before you start putting in offers, you are going to increase the chance of you getting a house 1,000,000,000%. Maybe not 1,000,000,000, but you know what I'm saying. Okay, great question. Thank you, and thrice thank you. Until next week when we will have yet another glorious bag of mail. This is Pete Lorimer signing out with, you guessed it, toodaloo.